Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove payment method on Doordash, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. But first things first, I want you to know something very important. You cannot delete a card from Doordash until you have added at least one other payment method. Okay? So, keeping that in mind, let me show you just how to do this. If you use the mobile app, just click on Doordash, open the Doordash app. It looks like that with a D, red D. I'm sure you know which app it is if you're using it, okay? And just tap on that and then tap on the profile icon right there. Tap on that, and if you want to cancel your Dash subscription, you just have to do select Manage Dash Bash, cancel membership. But in this case, we are going to remove the payment method, so we are going to click on Payment, and this will lead us to the different payment settings section. We're going to see a list of our saved payment methods. You want to click on add another payment method first. Before you remove your card from Doordash, you need to have another payment method. You can have a card, Apple Pay, Venmo, Cash App, PayPal. Doesn't matter, guys. You can do any of that without adding another payment method first. So add another payment method. So just click on add payment method. Okay, whatever type you want. If you're adding a card, then tap on credit card. You can either put the instruct details manually, your credit card number, expiry date, CVV, or you can just scan the card. That's another way now. And then once you're done that, guys, just click on the card or payment you want to remove and just swipe left. Okay, when you swipe left, okay, just swipe left, and then you're going to see this option that says delete. But you cannot see this option until you add another payment option. It's very important, guys. Just tap delete and instantly remove the card from your DoorDash account. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. If this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course, if you want, you can subscribe.